Here we are in section R review exercises, number 17 through 32. Number 17, it says convert the following fractions to decimals, which means we're going to punch in our calculator 15 divided by 24. Punch that in, 15 divided by 24, and it gives us 0.625. All right, number 18, 16 divided by 33. So 16/33, type that in the calculator, 16 divided by 33, and we get 0.4848 forever. And it repeats that pattern going on and on forever. So I guess you could round it after a little while and put 485. All right, 87 over 25. We punch in 87 divided by 25, and we get 3.48. There we go. All right, number 20. We're going to convert 0.323 to a fraction. So we notice that this ending 3 is in the thousandths place. So I'll write it out here. That's 323 over 1,000. 323 in the thousandths place is where it enters. And I don't think that thing can get any simplified. Yeah, can't reduce. Okay, so now we're converting 115%. Let's move this guy over here. 115%. The decimal is currently right here, and when we change that to decimal notation, we move it 2 places to the left, so it's 1.15. All right, now we're going to number 22, round 385.241 to the nearest hundredth. That's behind the decimal place, so it's right there. So we look at the 1. It is less than a 5, so that's 385.24 to the nearest hundredth, which is also a cent. Notice in dollars and cents that we'd be rounding to the nearest cent. Now number 23, round 385.241 to the nearest hundred, which is 385. So we look at the 8, and that is bigger than a 5, so that means we are closer to 400 rather than 300. Okay, the next ones. We're supposed to change that to a percent. Change to a percent. 12 divided by 15. 12 divided by 15. Punch it in the calculator, and it's 0.8. That's what it is as a decimal. Now we move it 2 places, and we get 80%. Yeah, 12 out of 15 would be 80% on a test. All right, number 25, 0.021. It's already a decimal, so we only need to go 2 places to the right, and we get 2.1%. 26 is already in a decimal as well. So being in a decimal, we only need to move the decimal 2 places to the right, and it's 216%. Yeah, if you got 202.16 out of 1, that's extra credit. You're way up there. All right. So now we'll do number 27. Write in exponential notation and evaluate. So notice there are 2 different answers we need on this one. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, that's 7 to the 4th power. And evaluated, that's 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, and that is 2,401. Good. Here's 8 times 8 times 8. 8 times 8 times 8 is 8 to the 3rd power, and that is 8 times 8 times 8 is 512. Excellent. All right, number 29. Evaluate 38%, so that's the decimal moving 2 places, 0.38 times 72. 0.38 times 72, punching that in the calculator, and it gives us 27.36. And number 30, 95%, so that's 0.95 of 643. So of is times, so 0.95 times 643, and that is 610.85. All righty. And the last one's down here, order of operations. So let's do everything that's together. We have 34 times 2, that's 68. 12 divided by 2, that's multiplication and division, good, that's 6. So 68 plus 6 plus 55 minus 13, that's 42 up on top. 42 over 3, 42 divided by 3 is 14. It came out nice. That's nice. So 68 plus 6, that's 74 plus 14 is 88. Good. Okay, number 32. Do exponents first. So that's 16. Parentheses here, that's 6. So it's 3 times 6. And then minus 2 times 7 is 14. So 16 plus 18 minus 14, that's going to be 20. Let's double check that. 16 plus 18 is 34 minus 14, yes, is indeed 20. Excellent.